Prissy on the beat.
Girl with a body, with a mad anybody. You me did a people type from a team. She call man's the first time, don't have the rest of the street, you know what I mean? Me say, hey pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting a lover, now she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody. So me take her off for the scene. You're right, be a ganja man round her, everybody I know that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KC Wagwan. So I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial today, and I'm featuring this hair from Transitionz boutique. I have her Instagram and her website. I'll leave it down below in the description box. Now I'm going to show you guys how I adhere this using the stocking cap ball cap method. And the hair that I'm using, it's called Heather, and this range, I think this is for $75, so that's very affordable, and it's like human blend lace wigs. Okay, so I'll leave all the information down below in the description box. Now I'm putting on my stocking cap, and I'm using the flesh tone and making an insert so that my ears can peek through. And I learned this through Petite Essence. I watched one of her tutorials and I got this idea, which is really good. And I think she said she got it from Glamazante. So shout out to you beautiful girls, because you out here changing the game. Now I'm using the Got to Be Glued freezing spray, and I'm gonna adhere the cap first. So I need the cap to stick to my my head, and I'm going to use this freezing spray to do so. Guys, please forgive me, my voice is crappy because I'm actually having a cold, a really bad cold, but I have to get this video out because, you know, we can't lay and so. But yeah, look at me acting silly. So please keep in mind that my blow dryer or air dryer is on cool, it's not on hot, guys. Please don't put it on hot. I'm gonna do me a beg on put gal. So keep it on cool. Now this is me acting a fool. I was litty while my hair dries, or while the stocking cap dries. I was listening to Munga. Now I'm over no man, 2019 when I'm over no man, we're a good girl. We're just go buy a lace wig from Transition Beauty or Transition Boutique and put it on and be lit. Alright, so yeah, I'm just making that dry. Then I'm gonna cut the stocking cap. I did adhere it a little bit low, but I fixed it. So all you have to do is just put the wig on your head, see where you want your hairline to stop. I don't really want it too much on my forehead, but I really want to clean some of the forehead in because girl forehead big and stuff. So I want to put a little bit over my weathers peak. You see they're peeking through. I brought it up a little bit more. So just cut it to fit your liking of where you want your hairline to start. You really want it to be realistic as well, so you don't want to go too far, and be very careful with the scissors. So I got the position that I like. Now I'm using alcohol to take off that residue. I hate that residue because the spray is really sticky. So I wipe it off first, clean it properly, guys, please do. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in shade 356 Warm Coconut, and I'm using my foundation brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just blending that in. There's not a lot of lace, so I don't need to bring it too far down. It's just 2 inches of lace, so I don't need to bring it too far down, and I'm gonna apply that all over the circumference of my head. And after you use the foundation, anytime you use a cream or liquid based product, you need to set it with powder. This applies to when you're doing the wig as well, so you're gonna set it with the powder, and I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder in shade 60. Alright, now I'm just gonna blend that in. Then again, I'm gonna remove the excess product from my forehead, and I'm gonna use the alcohol. Please make sure you have alcohol, guys, because it's a lifesaver. You can't do this without alcohol. Clean that area properly, so that, because now I'm going to adhere the hair to my head. So I'm putting on the wig. Guys, you see how blue this is? Like, I was so scared. I was like, bruh, what are you doing, bruh? Like, who told you to go buy blue, really blue hair? Honestly, guys, I really like it. It's not for everybody, definitely not. Like, I'm daring. I like to experiment with colors, know what I like, I know what I don't like. So this is, and this, because this is affordable, this is just what I do. I like to experiment. And I'm now going to use the same freezing spray and my air dryer or my blow dryer on cool. And I haven't cut the lace yet, but I think you guys should cut the lace before you adhere it to your head. It does make a difference. It's a little bit better when the lace is cut and easier to maneuver. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm going to push the lace down on my skin so that it blends in. Like, you see what I'm saying with the lace not being cut? Just try to cut it before you do all of this. Now I'm gonna do the sides, same thing, apply the freezing spray, then I'm gonna use my air dryer on cool to let that get tacky, let that air get tacky, then I'm gonna stick the lace down, use my comb and just push it in. Okay, simple, easy, like 1, 2, 3, sisters, easy. So now I'm going to cut the lace and I'm going to go as close to the hairline as I possibly can. And I'm not going to cut too straight because your hairline is not like perfectly straight. So just be mindful and not to cut off the hairline completely. Okay, I am going to cut the sides just because it's a bit excessive and I want it to lay flat. So I need to cut off the ear piece a little bit just so that it fits perfectly around my ear. And I'm just going to use the rat tail comb and I'm going to push that down, use a little bit more got-to-be glue if needed, and I spray the got-to-be glue on the rat tail comb and I place it there. It's just a bit easier to get into the area that I want it to, because yeah, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to allow it to get tacky and just push it down.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
I must say that I really do love the lace. I love how it melts right into my skin. Guys, this hair is not like a 100% human hair. So for the lace to look so realistic, I really love it. Like, as you can see, I don't necessarily have to do baby hairs. Like, it's bomb, just like that. But I'm going to do some baby hairs, guys. So I'm just gonna part out the front section there and brush it forward into my face. And I'm not doing too much. Like, I don't really do this a lot, but when I do, I like to do it like really neat and nice. Like, I'm just a perfectionist, so I try to perfect it, but I'm not perfect at making baby hairs. So I'm gonna use the scissors to cut the hair, and I'm going up and down, because I don't want it to be a blunt cut. I want it to be raggedy. And I'm just going to cut that. Then I'm going to use some Lottabody, and I'm going to, it's a mousse, so I'm gonna, the foam mousse, I'm gonna place it just to help to lay the hair flat and nice, and it smells so good, guys. I really love it. And when because I'm gonna tie my hair, right? So when this also helps with laying the hair flat. Then I'm gonna use my Auntie Jackie's edge control with flaxseed. I love this edge control. I'm gonna place it on there to make it extra flat and smooth, and so that I can guide the hair and put it where I want it and how I want it to lay. Then I'm gonna use my tail comb on my rat tail comb, and I'm going to brush the hair first, like into my face, going to my eyes, towards my eyes, and then I'm going to use my toothbrush to further guide the hair how I want it to lay.
I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming.
So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use some alcohol again to wipe off all that residue, because I hate that white stuff, and I'm going to do my makeup, so I don't want to have that build up when I apply my makeup. It's just going to look weird and disgusting, and I don't want that. So you want to clean that area very properly. Then I'm going to tie my head, tie the perimeter of the circumference of my head with my tie head, so that can further set it in place and make it melt into my head. And then after that, I'm gonna go to my makeup, guys, because I just want to apologize because my lashes, they weren't on properly. But I was rushing, guys, but it came out really good. I was proud. I was so proud. Like, it looks beautiful, like really beautiful, as you can see. So now I'm just blending my foundation with my hairline to make sure it looks like it's all together, like it looks seamless. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also, because I like my hair to be full and have a little bit of height to it, I'm going to create a little bit of hump at the front. And I'm using the Freeze It spray to do so. Then I'm going to later part that area, and I'm going to add some more of my all over face powder from Sephora, the Micro Smooth powder. And I'm just gonna blend it in so that my hairline can look more realistic and blends with my makeup. So guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also drop a comment down below. Tell me how you feel about this hair, and I'll leave all the specs of this hair in the description box. So guys, that is it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming.